Today, the web is a definitive world north of. A mammoth trade of information comes to pass on different servers, and the trading of data exclusively depends on the information introduced. Nonetheless, in the event that the information source isn't veritable or the information isn't put away properly, the whole world could come to a calamity. Similarly, the diversion areas, particularly sports and gaming, have gone through a change in perspective. On account of the appearance of blockchain that a large number understood the intrinsic capability of calculations and cryptography, and how this could be saddled to bring the diversion area to in a state of harmony, joining the standards of decentralized finance and blockchain. Chili's exceptional stage gives clients the honor of a wide range of science and innovation benefits mining them on a numerical calculation, particularly for the sports and gaming areas. Before we dive into the Chiliz cost expectation, let us view a portion of the remarkable highlights of Chiliz. Chiliz, the specialized examination. Chiliz was sent off in August 2019 and has been hyperactive from that point forward. Just in no less than 30 minutes of send-off, it had surfaced on the trade with insight about achieving the degree of 1 cent contrasted with its opponents like Bitcoin. In January 2020, it saw the most elevated heightening in cost to $0 a solitary Chiliz. Yet, this pattern didn't keep going long and tumbled to the mark of $0 of pandemic effect. The Chiliz cost spike that happened last year is corresponded to the declaration made by the Chiliz undertaking to put $60 million in the tokenization of media, brands, and retail. During the November 2020, Chiliz cost arrived at a lower 1 cent. Until January 2021, it just showed a minor recuperation. In any case, the exhibition of Chiliz in the year starting 2021 has been shockingly a gift for financial backers as the value shot to a degree of 3 cents by February 2021. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back for CHZ USD on the cost front alongside volume. Starting from the start of spring, the cost of Chiliz reflected colossal development, and it denoted another unequaled high at the 89 cents mark. Nonetheless, from that point onward, the token confronted slight amendment. However, later, it held 40 cents cost level. In last April, the CHZ cost stamped enormous convention and contacted 75 cents. However, later, it adjusted down to 21 cents mark. Then, at that point, the cost of Chiliz went until the start of August 2021. In September, the CHZ cost again raised a ruckus around town mark. However, later, it confronted sharp decay and tumbled to 24 cents and went on sideways, exchanging till the finish of October. From that point forward, it stamped huge recuperation, and in last November, it arrived at a high of 55 cents. In any case, in the wake of hitting 50 cents, according to negative signs, Chiliz has stamped persistent negative pattern, and as of now, it exchanges around 25 cents. Content for CHZ gauge referenced on the site. Content depends on our expectation of least cost, obstruction level, greatest cost, and different markers. We demand you truly do claim research proposing projected greatest cost, estimated value changes, and least cost according to your assumptions for Chiliz conjecture. Specialists say on Chiliz coin cost expectation uncovers the Chiliz crypto cost will be around 26 cents on December 2022. The hopeful conjecture predicts an ascent of half with a future cost of 30 cents in a year and further going up to $1.56 in the following 5 years. As per Chiliz coin cost forecast specialists, an extraordinary opportunity to put resources into Chiliz as the cost might cross 79 cents in the following 1 year continuously, and the normal greatest cost might be around 73 cents, which is plus 265% the ongoing cost. We have made an aggressive bullish pattern for 2022 according to our Chiliz cost expectation specialist. It claims 2022 will be a perfect year for Chiliz considering all variables, and the resource could reach as high as $1.13 by long-term's time. A drawn-out increment is normal in view of wallet financial backer examination and Chiliz gauge. The CHZ cost expectation for 2027 is $1.48. With a 5-year speculation in view of the ongoing value, the income is supposed to be around plus 638.81% in 5 years. CHZ will be the pick and decision of gaming financial backers in the business sectors, particularly in light of the fact that it has endured over the extreme long haul. Likewise, financial backers have found an element of dependability implanted in this money. Pandemic has been a genuine standard for fiat and digital currencies, conquering all obstacles. The Chiliz cryptographic money is set to hold a benchmark for its exhibition later on, drawing in a significant games financial backer local area from the business sectors, outperforming all assumptions in view of the most recent fresh insight about computerized coins. The worth of obstruction level R1, R2, and R3 are 19 cents, 20 cents, and 20 cents, separately. At the hour of composing this specialized examination in Chiliz estimate, the ongoing cost of Chiliz is 20 cents with an exchanging volume of CHZ is $187,924,845 and the market cap of Chiliz is $1,079,375,366 with a circling supply of 5,344,064,580 CHZ. The ongoing all-time high is 87 cents. Chilla's value forecast 2022. CHZ gauge predicts the Chilla's value equivalent to 28 cents will stay consistent. Chilla's digital currency can exchange with a base cost as low as 20 cents. Chilla's cost forecast 2022 by specialists assess Chilla's cost to exchange around 26 cents in Q2, 28 cents in Q3, and 29 cents in Q4. The street ahead is loaded with pedals according to CHZ cost figure. Gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Chiliz cost, taking it to cross all hindrances scaling point of the most extreme cost of 30 cents. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for the digital currency market. Chiliz cost expectation expects that CHZ cost is good to go to certify serious areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. CHZ coin value expectation uncovers Chiliz will likely be conveyed by the NFT publicity for some time. In any event, transient counter developments or even redresses in the coin are by anticipated. Chiliz could draw in significantly more consideration before long. The Chiliz cost will unquestionably not be unaffected for impending days. Chiliz value forecast 2023. CHZ has laid out a quick, dependable organization and works with the client experience of the item. These elements can assist the CHZ with begetting gain a lot more exorbitant cost degree of 51 cents as projected most extreme cost. In the event that the drive for useful crypto go on into 2023, the cost might try and see a worldview rush with the Chiliz cost gauge with the coin cost could arrive at a level over the base cost of 24 cents. Our Chiliz value forecasts depend on momentary specialized investigation done by advertised specialists. Crypto market is viewed as unpredictable with high gamble included. Chiliz is entering a profoundly cutthroat and savage space, off-chain scaling. Given the posting on the regarded expectation stage, an evident cost flood in CHZ USD can unquestionably be anticipated. Chiliz value forecast 2024. There are many theories going ahead for CHZ coin cost expectation, particularly keeping in context the mechanical declarations and blasting areas of progress the corporate has plans on. There are suppositions in light of market cost expectations that the cost of Chiliz might arrive at a place of 42 cents. CHZ figure predicts the most extreme cost. Lease cost to be 50 cents and 30 cents individually. Before you choose to buy CHZ, look for a well-qualified assessment to upgrade your technique choices assessing market cap, projected Chiliz cost, obstruction level, and so on to limit the dangers implied in this unpredictable market. Chiliz value forecast 2025. According to Chiliz cost forecast, on a drawn-out situation, the cost of Chiliz is set to hurry up with other digital currencies to obviously show up at any rate cost of 70 cents and most extreme cost of 88